Hi everyone, it's Johnny back again, the Soul Pilot. Nice to see you. Thanks again for joining me. If you ever wonder where the Soul Pilot name came from, I was doing a meditation early on a few years ago, and it just came to me at meditation. I saw myself at a blackboard introducing myself to everyone as the Soul Pilot, and I never heard that term before. Just came to me through meditation. So many things come to you through meditation, and when you just open up and allow. And instantly I knew what it meant, though. We were all souls, beautiful souls, and so I'm the Soul Pilot. I have learned that I am a soul, a spiritual being, eternal spiritual being, and I've learned to pilot my soul, fly my soul, let it fly free, and at the same time, I can take control of my life and soar. And that's what a Soul Pilot does. It helps other people remember who they are, and they help to remind them that they are eternal spiritual beings as well, limitless souls, beautiful souls that can accomplish anything, that can do anything, and they can fly just as free, just as high, and they can pilot their own soul and fly to the heavens. So, Soul Pilot. My soul is within me, and I pilot that soul, and I bring it where it needs to be, where love needs to be. That's where I am. So, anyway, thanks for joining me, and thanks for listening. So, today I thought I'd talk to you a little bit about sage. You can pick that up at any spiritual store. Like the Tree of Life has it. I'm not sure who else has that. Anyway, if you look it up online, you can find other places that have it as well. So they're just little pieces that you can burn, and that's what we're going to do today. So we're going to use that. It's used to cleanse your energy, the energy around you. It helps to lift away any heavy energies that are no longer serving you, that don't belong within you or around you. And so you'll see when we light this up, you just take a lighter or some matches and light this up. And so the sage will start to burn, and you'll see the smoke start to rise, and that's your cue to release, to let go of any heavy energies that you're carrying, any doubts, any obstacles, any blocks, any heavy thoughts, any heavy emotions, anything at all that's weighing you down. You just focus on letting that go into that smoke, and that it's healing medicine is what it is. It'll come up, you'll see that smoke come up, and it's lifting away those imperfections, those impurities, those blocks from your energy field. So you can go all around your body with it. That's what I like to do, from head to toe, front to back. And it just helps to, again, release anything that's in your energy field that doesn't belong. I like to go around my head 3 times as well to clear my crown chakra and everything around my head area, clear my thoughts. And many people, I'll place it in front of their head, in front of their face, and so they'll see the smoke come up, and they'll put their hands over top like this, and then you can cup the smoke, the cleansing medicine, and you can put it all over your crown, just like that. And again, it'll help clear your thoughts, clear your mind, clear your crown, where you have that connection with the guides, with the angels, with everything, with everyone. So you take that smoke and clear your crown with it, clear your head, clear your mind. So you can think clearly, and you can receive those messages, and then you take some of that medicine, some of that smoke, and you bring it up to your eyes. You can bring it up to your third eye, so you can see clearly from your third eye. You can bring it up to your eyes, your physical eyes, your human eyes, so you can literally see the physical world, but see through the physical world from a spiritual perspective, see the reasons behind it, the bigger picture, why things are happening for you, not to you. It really helps you to understand that things are happening for you. And that's what you need to remember, is nothing's happening to you, it's always for you. So this medicine will help to clear those eyes of yours to see things in that way. You can bring them out to your ears so you can clearly hear the messages from your guides, from your angels, from your ancestors, and all those loving beings around you. You bring them up to your ears, and then you can also bring it up just to your nose and inhale that healing medicine and just breathe that in. And you're breathing loving, healing medicine, and it goes within your spirit, within your energy, and cleanses you on the inside as well. You can breathe that in and then release a big sigh of relief. And you can also take that medicine, bring it up to your mouth, and just bring it in up to your mouth, into your mouth even. And by doing that, it helps you to speak your truth, to release any blocks, any fears, any doubts from speaking, expressing yourself. The medicine will go within you and help you to open up your throat chakra, your voice, your energy center from your voice, where you can speak your truth, share your wisdom, share your knowledge, and share your truth and express yourself. So those are all different ways that the healing medicine can help you. Again, they can help you in limitless ways. And another thing that I like to visualize is when that smoke is rising, it's being lifted away with the smoke. And I always like to visualize beautiful, loving angels coming in and carrying that energy away, carrying that smoke away up to the heavens, bringing that heavy energy back to love, back to light, so it can be transmuted back to love and back to light. And yeah, it's a beautiful process. I like to do all my meditations with this. I like to start them all like that. Any session I'm working with anyone on, anytime I meet with anyone, pretty much. if it's for spiritual reasons, I get the sage, and that's how I start. I light it up, and that's what we'll do now. And again, usually there's no talking when we're doing this. It's very quiet, very solemn, very sacred. And the idea is that you are sacred, and you're being reminded that you are a sacred being, and you're being cleansed and purified, and you are a sacred divine being. So it is a very sacred experience, and an act of self-love and self-respect. So we're going to light this up. You can already see smoke starting to rise. There you go. So you can imagine out there using it and cupping it like we talked about. You can still see that smoke coming up, so over the crown, up to your eyes, even your third eye. See things clearly. Open up your physical eyes, to your ears, so you can hear the messages. Breathe that in and release any doubts. And up to your mouth. And again, that helps to speak clearly, express yourself. And also, one thing I didn't mention, you can bring it up to your heart, which I like to do as well. And it helps to open up that heart, cleanse that heart of yours, and open it wide up, release any blockages. And like I said, I'll go all the way around my body, over my head 3 times. That's what I'm comfortable with. Up my back as well. Some people lift their feet up and do underneath their feet to help that connection with the earth. Whatever you feel comfortable with, that's what you do. So yeah, you cleanse yourself, and you can also use this to cleanse your area that you are in, that you're working in, that you're living in. You can go all around that area, all around your house, and you can just go, usually in a clockwise direction. You can have a feather, an eagle feather if you have one, and just whisk that up and away. You can open up a window so it goes up and out of the room, and then you can visualize those guides and angels taking it away for you. So it really clears the energies in the room, from your area, from your aura, from everywhere and everything. So that's what we talked about today, some sage. So please go out and get some and try for yourself, and you experience the cleanliness and the sacredness of it. Thank you.